Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to ledger delete in Tally Prime. First, navigate to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Alter under Masters, then choose Ledger. This brings you to the Ledger Alteration screen. Here, you can select the specific ledger you wish to remove. Remember, only ledgers without any transactions can be directly deleted. Once you are on the Ledger Alteration screen and have selected the ledger, press the Alt plus D key combination. Tally Prime will then ask for confirmation. It's crucial to read this prompt carefully to ensure you are deleting the correct ledger. Confirming will permanently remove the ledger from your books. This action cannot be undone, so double-check your selection before proceeding. It's important to know that Tally Prime prevents the deletion of ledgers that have any associated transactions. If a ledger has entries, you'll need to remove those transactions first, or consider an alternative. Instead of deleting, you can make a ledger inactive, which hides it from most lists without losing historical data. This is often a safer approach for maintaining data integrity. Before performing any ledger deletions, always create a backup of your Tally Prime data. This safeguards your information against accidental loss. Thoroughly review the ledger's history and ensure it truly has no future use. If you're unsure, making it inactive is a better option. For more helpful tips and tools, check the description below for links to other deals and resources. Also, make sure to check out the link for those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.